This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data models in Skyfactory 4. Data models are a core component for automating mob drops. They allow you to simulate mob kills without direct combat, generating valuable resources like experience, knowledge, and mob-specific items. Understanding their function is key to efficient progression in your world. We'll cover everything from crafting to advanced automation, ensuring you can harness their full potential for resource generation and base development. To begin, you'll need to craft a data model. This involves combining a blank model, a specific mob drop, and a knowledge shard in a crafting grid. Once crafted, place your new data model into a deep mob learning simulation chamber. It's vital to ensure this chamber is powered, typically with redstone flux, and has an output mechanism for the items it will produce. This setup is the foundation for your automated resource generation. Once the data model is in the simulation chamber and powered, it will begin processing. This generates experience and items, but more importantly, it increases the model's data tier. There are 5 distinct tiers: basic, faulty, pristine, corrupted, and self-aware. Each tier improves the drop rates and overall efficiency of the simulation, making your resource generation more potent over time. Aim for the highest tiers for maximum output. For advanced usage, integrate your simulation chamber with item and fluid transportation systems to achieve full automation. You can use a loot fabricator to convert the pristine matter generated by higher-tier models into specific mob drops, giving you precise control over your resources. To truly maximize your output, consider setting up multiple simulation chambers, each dedicated to a different mob type, creating a powerful, automated farm for all your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.